Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to make our program modular. So when we talk about object-oriented programming, we don't write everything in the same function. We separate out our code into separate modules, and then those modules work for us. And then we have a place from where we call those modules. Okay. So let's say we don't want this code to be run in main. Instead, I want a module which will take input from the user and prints out, and we just call that module. Okay, so let's say we go right click on src and I say new Java file class, and I say UserInfo dot Java. Okay, press enter. So you will see a class created with name UserInfo. Now I'm going to create a function here, get and print UserInfo. Let's say public, it is not going to return anything, so the return type is void. Get and print UserInfo. Okay, now I'm going to go back and just cut all the code and paste it here. Okay, now go back again, and okay, the scanner is already here. So I think that's all. I created a class, I created a function where I am creating the scanner object. Then it says enter your name, prints your name, then prints your age, and then that's it, ends the function. Here, now what we need to do, we need to call that module. So we will say user info, let's say UI is equal to this, and UI dot get and print user info. So what is happening now? We created an object for our module and called that function. As soon as we call the function, it will go here and starts to take input and starts to print the input. Let's see. Let's run this and see what happens. So it says enter your name, and then so the program is same, the functionality is same, but what we have done, we have separated out our code into a module so that it's easy to understand. A user or another programmer who looks at your code will find your code much easier to understand and separate it into smaller modules. So there is user info, which is a module you created, which prints your user info, and you call it from your app.java. So remember, there has to be only one main class in your program. And so here I have taken the main in the app class, and there is no main in this class. All the classes you will create, there is not going to be any main. We will just keep main in one of the functions. So generally it's like app.java, but it's not necessary that you name it app.java. You can name it anything. So I can say anything.java, and this is also good. I save it, I will run it, and the functionality will be same. So, okay, sounds good. So that's all I want to cover. I would say just watch this lecture, try to understand how you modularize your code into multiple modules, and each module has its own functionality. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next lecture.